If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing you an easy and tasty recipe, chili garlic macaroni or pasta. This recipe is very healthy and can be prepared for breakfast or evening time snacks. If you are bored of making regular upma, you can try this and kids will definitely love it. Shall we start? Firstly, take handful of cashew nuts or about 10 cashews and soak them. Now, to cook the macaroni, add 2 glasses of water to a pan. Add half spoon of rock salt and allow the water to boil. You can also use crystal form of rock salt. When water starts to boil, add 1 cup of macaroni or pasta. It's available in many shapes like shells, which I am using now, and in spiral, cylinder or elbow shapes. You can use the ones which you like and follow the same process. I am adding 1 spoon of oil just to avoid macaroni from being sticky. Stir well. When the macaroni starts to boil, keep the flame low and allow it to cook. Meanwhile, let's get the other ingredients ready. Take 1 onion and chop it very finely. And I am taking handful of garlic cloves, which are about 15 cloves. Chop them finely. 2 green chillies. Cut in horizontal direction as you see here and finely chop them. Keep the ingredients aside. Now I am adding the soaked cashew nuts into the mixer jar. Use the soaked water to blend it to make paste. Add little more water while blending if it's required. Make sure there are no chunks. Let's get back and see if macaroni is cooked. It's pretty much cooked. And let's drain the water with a strainer. As it is hot, it tends to become sticky. So just add drinking water to it and drain. This is to avoid the shells to be sticky. Now we are all set to prepare the recipe. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, first add chopped garlic and fry till it turns little brown color. Only then it adds good taste and flavor to the recipe. Now in goes chilies. Saute for a while. And in goes chopped onions. Fry till it turns to golden brown color. Now keep the flame low and add 1 spoon of red chilli flakes. Add 1 spoon of oregano or any mixed herbs. Half spoon of pepper powder. Saute well for 30 seconds till the raw flavor goes off. Adjust the spice levels if you have kids at home. Since we have already added salt while cooking macaroni, now I am adding only half spoon of salt to the ingredients. Continue in the low flame only and add the cooked macaronis. Gently saute for a while so that the ingredients are coated well and gets deeper into the shells. Add finely chopped coriander leaves and give a stir. And finally add the cashew nuts paste. Saute for a while and turn off the flame. Hot and delicious chili garlic macaroni is ready. Top with chili flakes and serve this to your family and enjoy. Catch you in next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.